27. So our first task is a sounds introduction. So I have here new sound. Okay. So me first. Okay, I will sound it out and then wait for my signal or wait until I say it's your turn. Okay. Okay. So this sound is A. A. Okay, say it fast. A. Okay? You will sound it out just like how it pronounce the letter. How you pronounce the letter, okay? Or how you say the letter is the same how you sound it out, okay? It's like A. A. Okay, so it's your turn. Okay, what is this sound?
A.
Okay, louder.
A.
Okay, say it fast.
A.
Okay, say it fast.
A.
Okay, very good. So our newly introduced sound is A. A, okay? So parehas lang kung paano mo sabihin yung letter na to. Diba? Letter A. So when you sound it out, it is the same. Okay? A. A, okay? So very good. So now for our second task is sounds, okay? So our next task is sounds, okay? Say these sounds as slowly as you can and don't get fooled, okay? Let's begin.
Oh.
Louder.
Oh.
Okay,
A.
very good. So let's begin again.
Oh. Oh. A.
One more time. Okay, so we're now done with task 2, okay? So you need to make your voice malakas or louder, okay? For task 3, word reading, here's the new sound. Okay? Here's the new word rather. Okay? So sound it out.
Said.
Okay. What?
Said.
Okay, said, not say, okay? It's different from say, okay? So, okay, one more time. Sound it out.
Said.
One more time.
Said.
Okay, not say, okay? So, though they are similar, but this one is in the past tense, okay? So, one more time, sound it out.
Said.
Okay, so, how do we say the word again?
Said.
Okay, sound it out again.
Said.
Okay, now say the word.
Said.
Okay, very good. So the word is said. Okay, so let's move on to our next task, which is word reading again. Okay, so I have here more words. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to sound it out. Okay, sound it out. No, what's the sound? Here. Oh, what's the sound again? Okay, very good. One more time. Okay, shock, not sock. Okay? One more time. What word?
Shock. She.
One more time.
She.
What word?
She.
What word? Next.
Feel.
What word?
Feel.
Louder. What word?
Wheel.
word?
Shop. Got.
What word?
Got. Lot.
What word?
Lot. Not.
What word?
Not. Feel.
What word?
Feel.
Okay, so now, you need to read it in the fast way, okay? So, let's begin. You read it in the fast way.
Shock.
Okay.
She.
Louder.
We. Feel. Will. Shot. Got. Lot. Not. Feel.
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 Okay, so now we are done with reading. So our next task is sounds, okay? So take a good look at each sound again, okay? So don't get fooled. So get ready. Okay, so begin.
Ah. A. Mm. E. O.
Ah,
Ah.
ah.
Oh. Sh.
So very good. So now we are in your first reading. So I have here a new story. So you're going to read this, finger on the first ball of the top line, and then sound out the first word.
C.
What word?
C. That.
What word?
That. Little.
What word?
Little. Shop.
What word?
Shop. Sun.
What word?
Sun. Is.
What word?
Is. In.
What word?
In. The.
What word?
The. Shop.
What word?
Shop. We.
What word?
We.
What word?
Will. Run.
What word?
Run. In.
What word?
In. The.
What word?
The. Sun.
What word?
Sun.
Okay, very good. So for your next task is your second reading, okay? So you're going to read the story again. This time, I will ask you questions each time you come to a period. So here's the period, okay? So when you reach this period, okay, I will ask you questions. Okay? So here's the first period. Ito yung unang period or tuldok. So it is a little ball that comes after a word. So as you can see, there's a word and then after that, a period. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so when you get to this period, stop and it means that I will ask you a question. So, you need to sound out again each word and then tell me the word. Okay? So, let's begin. So, put your finger again. Sound out the first word.
See.
What word?
See. That.
What word?
That. Little.
What word?
Little. Shock.
What word?
Shock.
Okay, so you have reached this period. So it means that I have question. So my first question is, what is this story about?
A little shack.
Okay, very good. So when we say shack, it is a little house. So what do we mean when we say shack?
Little house.
Little house. So very good. So you are done reading the first part of the story. So now we will move on to the second part, okay? So finger on the first ball and then sound it out.
Sun.
Okay, what's the word?
Sand. Is.
What's the word?
Is. In.
What's the word?
In. The.
What's the word?
The. Shack.
What's the word?
Shack.
Okay, so stop because there's a period here. So it means that I have question. So my question is, what is in the shack?
Sun is in the shack.
Very good. So the sand is in the shack. Okay? So now read the next word and keep reading all the way until you reach the third period. Okay? So this is the first period. So you are done with this. This is the second and this is the third. So you are in the last. Okay? So, okay, read the first word. Sound it out.
We.
What's the word?
We.
Louder.
Will.
What word?
Will. Run.
What word?
Run. In.
What word?
In. The.
What word?
The. Sun.
What word?
Sun.
So stop because there's a what?
Period.
Period. Very good. So my question is, what are we going, okay, to do?
Run.
Okay, very good. So we will run in the
Sun.
sun. So very good. So our next task is, okay, picture comprehension. So because you are now done with your first reading and then second reading, we are now in picture comprehension. So I have here a picture again. Okay, so this picture, okay, is connected to the story. Okay, this story is connected to this picture, okay? So take a good look, okay, at this picture. I will give you time and then tell me if you're done and then I'll ask you questions, okay? So I know that you are already familiar with that task because we did that a lot of times. Okay, so take a good look.
Done.
Already?
Yes.
Okay, so, okay, my first question is, tell me some things you see in the picture. Oh.
House.
House or
Home.
shack. Okay, so remember the shack. A shack is a home, okay, or a house. Okay, house rather. So aside from this house or shack, okay, what are the other things in this picture?
Child.
Child. Okay, so children because there are many children here. Okay, so ano na yung mga nakita natin? Shack and
Children.
children. So aside from children, ano pa?
Shack.
Shack. Oh, we are already done with shack. So aside from shack and children, so here, what's this? What's this? Oh. Oh, so let's go back to the story. Oh. See that little shack. Oh, where's the shack? Oh, here. Oh, second Oh,
Sand.
sand. So very good. So aside from shack and children, May sand. Okay, so very good. So what do you see in the shack? Oh. What do you see in the shack?
Sand.
Sand. So maybe, ano? This shack is
In the sand.
on the, saan ka ba nakakakita ng sand? Oh, saan nga? Saang lugar?
Shack.
Oo nga, there's a shack, there's a sand. O karaniwan, saan ba tayo nakakita ng buhangin? Nakita ka na ba ng buhangin?
Yes.
O where?
Sa mga beach.
O beach, so very good. So this shack could be where? On the
Shack.
beach. Okay, so this shack could be on the beach, okay? So my next question is, and who is coming up to the shack? Sino daw yung pupunta sa shack?
Beach.
Children. Okay, so these children will come to this shack. So very good. So what will the children do in the shack? Ano daw gagawin ng children sa shack?
Lalaroin.
Lalaroin, or they will play here inside the shack. So, what would you do if you were one of these children? Ano daw gagawin mo kung isa ka sa mga children na to?
Maglalaro.
Maglalaro ka din. So, you will join them to play inside the shack. Is that, Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. So, for your next task is reading the fast way. So, you will read the story in the fast way, okay? So, I'm going to read the first part of the story, the fast way, and then later, you'll get to read that part, okay? The fast way. So, you have a chance to read the first part in the fast way. So, I will read this. Okay. See that little shack. Okay, I'll repeat. See that little shack. See that little shack. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So, for word finding, okay, so I will give you this one. And then, encircle again all the words that I will say, okay? So, the first one that I want you to find is the word see. Very good. The next one is little. Okay, and then the next one is that. That. Okay, very good. So the last one is shock. Okay, so good finding. So for your next task, which is task 11, it's your turn to read this in the what? Fast way. So very good. So, first word, read the first word.
See.
O, second.
That.
Third.
Little.
Okay.
Shack.
Okay, so read it, faster.
See that little shack.
Oh, one more time.
See that little shack.
One more time.
See that little shack.
Okay, very good. So, we are now done with our task 11. So, we will move to our task 12, which is sounds writing. Okay? So, you will write the sounds. Wait for a bit. I will find the sounds. Here and then. So you will write the sound of this one. Okay, I will place it here, and then this one. Okay, I will place it here. So the first sound that you need to write is the sound of this one. So what's the sound? One more time. How about this? What's the sound? Louder. This one. Okay, very good. So when you write the sound of okay, it's like this. Okay. As you can see the arrow, okay, it's there, the bottom, and then add the line. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2. Understood?
Yes.
Okay, so it's your turn. Write the sound of F. Okay, slowly ha, para maganda yung handwriting mo. Here. Okay, one more time. Okay, oh here, one more time. Okay, so very good. So what's the sound? Okay, so we will move to the sound of this one. What's the sound? Okay, so when you write the sound of G, it's like, okay, ano yung sinasabi mo?
Sirena.
Sirena. Okay, so a ball and then a tail. A ball and then a tail. Ball and tail. Ball and tail. Ball and tail. Okay, understood?
Yes.
So it's your turn. Write it. Oh, one more time. Okay, so what's the sound? What's the sound? Okay, what's the sound again?
G.
How about this one? What's the sound? Okay, very good. So the sound is G. G. Okay, so understood?
Yes.
Okay, so very good.